I love doing open houses for my sellers because it brings so much exposure, but also what it does, it gives me more content to promote when I'm trying to sell someone's home. So let me show you what I do at an open house. So first, I always have a lovely display. Now these roses were left here by the seller, which was very nice, but this is the end of my open house, so I had more cookies here. So these are small cookies from Crave. It's a new cookie store that just opened up, and they have the smaller version now. Before, I was getting the bigger ones and then chopping them up, and it just didn't look pretty. So these are a lot better, and the buyers are loving them. And then I have a welcome form here, and not only do they give me their information, but they also talk about the feedback here too, which I really want to know. And no one comes to my seller's open house unless they fill out this form, because the sellers want to know who's coming to their home. Then I have, for each open house, I have a feature list that talks about all the good things about the home, the special features that it has. So I have that in an acrylic frame. And then I have your basic MLS sheet here, but to have something fancier, I have this brochure. So this is a brochure I put out. It's nice and colorful. SERHANT does this for me. And my local printer prints it out, and look how pretty it is. Let me put it up this way. And I do these for open houses and also for showing. Okay, and then of course I make sure all the lights are on and that it shows really, really nicely. So I make sure that the air conditioner is working nicely and that all the lights are on and that the home is very show ready. So that's how I do open houses. Thank you.